So hello everyone, welcome back to the new study. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss about Madurai General Center B.Ed merit list because they have released a PDF on their websites on Madurai General Center as well as on Thiruvananthapuram Regional Center, because the nodal regional center is Madurai Regional Center. So that's why same PDF is uploaded on both the official websites, Madurai Regional Center as well as on Thiruvananthapuram Regional Center. So that's why we are going to discuss about Thiruvananthapuram as well as Madurai Regional Center of B.Ed merit list. Right, so they have released two PDFs, and one is seat matrix. They have discussed about how seat will be distributed to different category like general, PH, general, SC, ST, OBC, and EWS category. So we will discuss all those things, and they have also released a very small B.Ed merit list, because only 3 or 4 aspirants are getting name into the merit list, because they have just released 2 or 3 category B.Ed merit list, right? Rest of them are not released yet, but as they will upload on their website, we will update you, right? So that's why we will discuss only I think so PH and ST category, PH and EWS category students B.Ed merit list in this video, and of regional center Madurai and Thiruvananthapuram, right? So, firstly, if you are visiting first time to this channel, please do join. And our join button is also on. You can take membership of our channel, and you can take assistance directly from us, right? So please do subscribe, and if you are liking video, please do like. And if you have any doubt regarding IGNOU B.Ed, B.Ed IGNOU, then you can comment here, right? And if you want any videos on any topic, then please drop your comment in comment section. We'll surely make videos on your demand, right? So let's start today's videos. So first of all, you can see here the websites are not working. The business center websites are not working properly, so that's why we are not able to visit the official website. It will sort out in 2 or 3 days, like. Okay, so firstly we'll discuss the seat matrix, which was released by Madurai Regional Center as well as the Thiruvananthapuram Regional Center, right? So this is the seat matrix. According to, they have given the seat matrix according to the central government reservation criteria, right? So the general PH is allotted 5%, means total number of seat is 2, because as you know, every uh, a study center, I think a study center, nodal study center has allotted 15 seat, right? So 5% of 15 is 2, and general category 23%, 23 number of seat, and it means I think rest from 70%, 27%, 7.5%, 15%, and 5%, rest will be allotted to general category, right? And the general category is mainly approximately 23 seats, and SC, scheduled caste, is allotted 8 seat, means 50% of total, and ST category 4 seats, means 7.5% of total, and OBC NCL, right? So they have allotted 13 seats out of total, out of 50, and this means this is the 27% of total. And here you can see this is the 5 seat allotted to EWS category, economically weaker section, right? So this is the 5 extra seat which was allotted to every regional center, and this will be given to EWS category, right? So as you know, total a study program center has allotted 15 seat, and 5 extra seat will be for EWS category, right? So according to this, they will allot you admission offer letter, and they will give you name, they will give you your name in merit list. So now we are going to discuss about merit list, how they have released merit list. So this is the B.Ed merit list. You can see here, IGNOU Indira Gandhi National Open University Nodal Regional Center Madurai, B.Ed 2021 admission counseling. They have not released name of every category candidate. They have just released the EWS merit list and the PH merit list, because in EWS only 5 people will be there, because the seat of EWS is 5, and the general PH seat will be 2. So that's why they have released just 2 category certificate. I don't know why they are not releasing all the category certificate, all the category merit list of B.Ed. So here Vikas Kumar, I think Vikas, which secured position number 4 and category EWS, and he had secured 78 marks in their entrance examination. So they are getting merit list, name under merit list under EWS category. right? So this is the name of Vikas, and this is the enrollment number of Vikas, and this is the form number of Vikas, and he had secured 4 position. So I think above 70 marks, if you are belonging to EWS merit list, EWS category, then above 70 marks you will getting chance to admission into under EWS category, right? And next one is general PH. So you can see here uh, Bipin Bhiji, he has secured 27 position in their ranking list, and his category is PH general, and he has secured 72 marks, and his involvement number is this. And Bobby Joseph, 74 position, 74th position, and PH general, and he had secured, I think he or she, I don't know, he had secured 66 marks in entrance examination. So that's why, as you know, कि यहाँ पे here he has allotted IGNOU Regional Center has allotted 5% to general PS. So that's why only 2 seats. So that's why they have given only name of 2 people, and these 2 will be getting admission into B.Ed merit list under PH category, general PH category, right? So I don't know when they will release all the category merit list, because we are left with SC, ST, OBC, general, OBC, NCL, right? So wait for this, and when they will release on their official website, we will update you. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel, because if you miss any information, uh, only you will be responsible for any sequence in future. So that's why you have to subscribe this channel, and please do continuous visit to official website of Regional Center and official website of IGNOU main website, right? So that's why I am giving you a suggestion. Please do subscribe this channel, and do continuous visit to every Regional Center. From which Regional Center you are belonging, you have to visit that particular Regional Center official website, right? So as you can see here, uh, these are the total Regional Center, I think 54 Regional Center. So you can, if you will click here Aligarh Regional Center, you will go to Aligarh official website, right? And this is, I think today uh, uh, link is not working. It will be sorted out within 2 or 3 days. So that's why I'm suggesting, please do visit to every Regional Center official website from where you are belonging, and also do visit to official website of IGNOU, because here they have also uploaded some updates regarding B.Ed. Websites are not working properly today. I don't know why. It might be technical problem, right? And please do subscribe this channel. And if any update will come for B.Ed IGNOU, then we'll surely update you. And I think in evening, ma'am will upload a video of Nagpur Regional Center, because they have again they have uploaded the merit list on their official website, but due to some technical reason, the official websites are not working properly, as you can see here. So please wait for a few days, 1 or 2 days. If your name is coming in merit list, then please do prepare your all the documents, or keep prepare for your fees, right? Because they will give you instruction to submit their fees, right? So please do all these stuffs. We are already we are taking charge of this. I have informed uh, 2 or 3 months before to collect all the documents which is required in IGNOU BH. But if people are like careless, I don't know why. Because many people are commenting like, I don't have OBC MCL, I don't have experience certificate, I don't have BA mark sheet. So this is like carelessness. So please do care of yourself, and collect every document which is required, which we have discussed in playlist of B.Ed merit list on our channel. So please do visit to this channel, right? I will suggest you. This is the playlist of B.Ed merit list. You can see here. This is the playlist of B.Ed merit list. So for continuous update, you have to visit. You have to watch all the videos which we have uploaded for B.Ed merit list. And because these videos are very important, and the total number of videos is 24. So you can also match the cutoff marks from previous year, because we have also discussed all the previous year's cutoff marks of every original center. I think so, right? So you can also match how much difference is going on this year, right? So I think this is enough for today, and I hope you will subscribe this channel, and please do like if you are liking this video, And if you have any queries regarding any videos or regarding any IGNOU stuffs, then you can comment here, comment below, and we'll reply you, right? So bye, thank you very much.